Nowadays, many dealers have tie-ups with respective banks to dole out loans to customers. Is it right thing to do go with those banks which they have tie-up with, or should we select our own banker?
So I think a customer should follow the following metrics to get the best car loan rates, whether it comes from the dealer, whether it comes on his own. Really, first he should decide on the amount of loan that he is going to take. So if he is buying a car for 5.5, he can decide that I am going to take 4.5 lakhs of loan and I am going to take it for 3 years, or I am going to take it for 5 years. Once he has decided the amount of loan and the tenure, he can ask people to tell him the EMIs. He should make sure that any discount in the value of the car is adjusted against his down payment. Remember, the cost of the car was 5.5, he was taking a loan of 4.5. Whatever discount in the car should be adjusted against this 1 lakh down payment. So then he just compares EMIs. If there is normally nowadays a processing fee, but that's reasonably close to each other, but he can then compare processing fees as well. When he is negotiating with whosoever, he should negotiate with the dealer, but he should also come to sites like Apna Paisa, where he can get quotes from outside DSAs and banks directly as well. He can play one off against the other. So as I said, first he looks at the EMIs. He'll realize at a certain stage that the EMIs have reached a bottom, it cannot go down further. Then he can negotiate with them for freebies. Never take freebies for the cash discount. The freebies that they give, like a mat or a lining or a coating underneath, etc., those are only the last thing. First we should get all discounts, the customer should get all discounts in cash. Remember, insurance you are not obliged to take from the lender, whosoever it be, whether it is the dealer or the bank. You can take your own insurance, and typically you can take the no claim bonus from your old car to the new car. Don't forget to claim that. In insurance there is a large benefit that is available if you shop around. So shop around separately for the insurance and separately for the loan. This way you can ensure that you get the best deal on your new car.